Hey, what's up guys, Eric here. I'm gonna give you a few tips on how to store your motorcycle during the wintertime, or if you're just gonna be storing it for an extended period of time. But first, you need to make sure that you're saving money on your motorcycle insurance, and here's how.
All right, so for those of you that live in those northern states and you have to put your bike away for the winter, there's no reason for you to turn off your insurance. You can simply leave it going by checking out Voom. With Voom, you can save up to 60% with your motorcycle insurance. Just do a quote and see for yourself. All right, so there is a storage option that Voom has, and you don't have to call up an agent, wait on hold or anything like that. You can simply do everything from the app. All right, so why turn your insurance off? Take a risk of not having your bike covered while it's stored. This option gives you up to 5 months of coverage, and all you have to do is pay a low monthly fixed rate. I don't know about you, but that sounds like a good plan to me.
All right, you want to start with cleaning your bike off. You can either wipe it down or wash it with soap and water, but you just want to get the bugs and the road grime off so that way it doesn't ruin your paint. Make sure you get yourself a set of stands. You don't want to leave your tires sitting on the ground for an extended period of time and develop flat spots. Make sure you have a full tank of gas and that it's filled all the way to the top. Brand will be rider's preference, but make sure you add fuel stabilizer to your tank. Alright, we can't forget about the battery, and I use a battery tender which is relatively inexpensive, and that way you'll be able to keep your battery fully charged over the winter or for however long it's going to be stored for. Probably not a huge deal to everybody, but if you still want to protect your paint and some of the finish on the bike, make sure you get yourself a bike cover. And before I forget, there are a couple more tips that you can use in addition to those things that I just showed you. The first one being, ensure that you have fresh oil in your motorcycle. You don't want to leave it sitting with dirty oil for a long period of time where those contaminants can harm your engine. All right, so the next thing we want to do is keep insects and small animals out. And the best way to do that is to close off any holes that lead to your engine, such as your muffler or your intake ports on your bike. And let's not forget about that chain. You definitely want to clean and lube it, that way it doesn't rust. And that's it guys, it is that simple. I hope these tips have helped you out. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. And if you're liking what you're seeing, definitely give me a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.